Okay, so I guess most of us have thought about the scenario of AI impacting our careers at some point, especially during the last couple of years, and while it does sound scary and not quite entirely untrue, I think this Netflix Coos Ted Sands quote sums up the future pretty well. AI is not going to take your job, but the person who uses AI pretty well might take your job, so instead of fearing it and questioning what might happen next, stay updated and get some use out of AI. There are tons of amazing AI tools out there that can quickly automate time-consuming tasks or spark some quick creativity when you need it. So in this video, I will share my top AI tools that you can use for your business today, so be sure to stick around till the end because there are some seriously awesome ones that you don't want to miss. Alright, let's dive in. The first tool on the list that I want to show you is presentations. And now, I don't know about you guys, but making presentations is a pretty annoying task. For me, even though it's not super challenging and doesn't require lots of technical skills, I still spend hours looking for a suitable slide template, summarizing information, adjusting the layouts, and all of that stuff. But now I can save myself some precious time because of tools like presentations, which you can try for free. How it works is you type in your topic, then choose the language and the number of slides, then provide it with information that you want to include via PDF or URL, and then hit submit. Before preparing full presentation, it will present you with each slide's content, basically like a plan, so you can adjust things beforehand, and once you're happy with it, just click the button and boom, your slides are done. Just like that, you can still edit them however you want and select different templates and themes. Can you imagine how much time it just saved me? Well, more than enough for you to be convinced and try it out for yourself. Moving forward with time-saving tools, we have Coral AI. Basically, you just need to upload any kind of PDF that you don't have time reading, and once the AI tool goes through it, you can just have the conversation with it about the content in your document. This can save you tons of time as it summarizes and presents the needed information in seconds, which you could have spent hours looking for. You get not only the answers, but also the pages from where it got them, so you know where to find the exact quotes. It can be extremely useful for professional researchers, students, and just anyone with a PDF to read. Boy, oh boy, if only I had known about this during my university years, this would have saved me a lot of sleepless nights. Comment below the video if you feel the same. Okay, so the third tool on my list is Hosting Your Website Builder, which we've obviously talked about a lot on this channel, but not without a good reason. Powered by AI, Hostinger's Website Builder can create a website for you in literally under a minute. Go ahead and time it. You just need to pop in your business description and select a website type. That's it. No coding, no web designers. The AI does the hardest part for you. I would say it's an ideal option for business beginners who want to save time without spending too much money. Plus, it's quick to use because of its drag and drop editor, and what's more, once you go into the editing the site, you can use many built-in AI tools for content creation. For example, there's an AI writer if you need to quickly generate some text or to speed up the writing process for your blog. There are also many handy e-commerce AI tools that come with the website builder, and let me tell you about my favorites. So one of them has got to be the AI-powered product creation. So simply upload a photo of your product and the AI will generate the title, description, and the price for you. You can even do this in bulk with up to photos, allowing you to create multiple products instantly. And once you have the descriptions, you must think about the pictures too, so an AI background remover can help you make the best product image by erasing the image backgrounds in just a few seconds. Another thing that makes this website builder stand out is its SEO assistant, which handles meta tags and keywords and even provides optimization tips to help your site rank higher and be more visible on search engines. And lastly, I also really love the AI heat map. It shows where the visitors will probably focus most of their attention, which can give you some useful insights on how to improve your website. So if you're interested, go try it out for yourself and make sure to use our coupon code U for an extra off your purchase. You'll find the link in the description below the video. Okay, moving on with the list, the next tool I highly encourage you to try is Zapier. This app works as a media manager and saves you time by automating mundane tasks across different apps, so you don't have to do them manually. For example, if someone buys your digital product through PayPal, Zapier can automatically Add their email to MailChimp or other email app list and send them a welcome email. You can find many useful templates for these media workflows, or zaps as they're called. You can also create one yourself that's based completely on your own needs. You just choose the app account and event that Zapier has to look out for, such as Google Sheets, then select the document and add a specific column. Add another step in the same way and select what actions you want Zapier to take, and that's it. You can now get rid of your media manager as they no use for you anymore. Of course, I'm joking, or am I? Okay, moving on, I want to tell you about an AI lawyer. Yes, you heard it right, the future is here. AI can now even help you fight legal problems. Here I'm talking specifically about do not pay. It's like your personal AI lawyer that can help you fight parking tickets, cancel annoying subscriptions, claim refunds, and offer flight compensation hacks. Basically, it makes legal tasks super easy and saves you time by automating the boring paperwork and giving you step-by-step guidance for different legal issues. Well, of course, it won't help you tackle massive lawsuits or negotiate million-dollar settlements. But for smaller issues, it definitely got your back, as do not baby themselves. They want to give the power to the people and help them stand up to big corporations. I mean, thank you, that's very thoughtful. Alright, the following AI tool I think you should know about is Adobe Firefly. It's a free AI-driven creative tool that generates amazing graphics and images, and soon you'll even be able to generate videos with it. You probably know that there are quite a lot of AI image generators, but not all of them are great, and not all of them are free, so I would say Firefly is a pretty good option, especially if you're new to all of this AI thing. It works by simply entering a text prompt describing what you want, and Firefly uses its AI magic to create visuals that match your description. Okay, let's try something like a cat is hanging on a skyscraper with a spider web. He's dressed like Spider-Man and is eating pizza. Now just hit generate, and that's it. Oh wow, that doesn't look like Spider-Man at all, but it's really not bad. Maybe it was a little bit too much on everything in my prompt, but anyway, this is definitely a cool tool for when you need some specific visuals right on time. Alright, next up, let me introduce you to an AI writing tool that's like having your own personal editor right at your fingertips. I'm talking about Twain. This AI is here to level up your writing game, making sure everything you write is clear, professional, and gets your point across. It helps you fit grammar mistakes, get your tone just right, and even give suggestions on how to structure your sentences. What's nice is that Twain lets you choose what channel you want to use and your intent, tone, and use case, so the text fits your needs perfectly. Now, don't expect it to write your next novel or turn you into France CF overnight, but for day-to-day stuff like emails, reports, and presentations, Twin AI has you covered. Okay, let's move on. Surprise, surprise, the next AI tool on this list is ChatGPT. If by any chance you've lived under a rock and haven't heard of it yet, go check it out. But for those who are well aware of existence, I want to say that ChatGPT still stands strong on this list as a super useful tool for anything. It's constantly improving and releasing new versions, with ChatGPT on its way. So, what to look out for in ChatGPT? Well, it's set to have better contextual understanding, improved memory, and more humanic responses. Expect it to be faster, more interactive, and able to handle not just text, but also images, videos, and audio. Plus, ChatGPT expected to work SELI with smart devices, business software, and advanced development tools. So, for example, it could help control smart home systems, such as adjusting lights or temperature using voice commands, or assist companies with a task like analyzing large data sets more effectively. So there are a lot of cool features to look out for. This new version is set to come out late or early, but no matter what nice changes it will have, remember that a lot of it comes down to how you formulate your prompts. So if you want to improve your prompting skills, you can check out this video on how to elevate your ChatGPT experience. The link will be in the description below. Next on our list we have Ocean, which is a super cool BBA-driven tool that helps businesses find and target the right customers. The title is very fitting. There's a big wide ocean of customers, and finding the right ones can sometimes be tricky and time-consuming, but Ocean does all the hard work by analyzing data and showing you a List of companies that match your ideal customer profile. Just add the URL of one of the customers and wait for the AI to prepare a huge list of similar businesses. For example, I added a car rental company in the UK, and as you can see, I have a list of similar companies. It's super handy because it also adds their contact information, country size, all in one place. To sum it up, Ocean really can help you streamline your sales process and save you some precious time so you can focus more on growing your business. And the last tool I want to cover today is Autopod. I really wanted to include this because I know that there are definitely some content creators watching this, so this one is for you, especially if you're a podcaster. Autopod is an AI tool designed to make video editing easier. It automatically cuts between different camera angles based on who's talking, syncs up your audio and video, and even helps you with things like trimming mistakes or awkward pauses. I mean, if you've ever had to edit something like this, you know how time-consuming editing can be. So instead of spending hours editing these things manually, Autopod lets you focus more on creating great content while it takes care of the technical hassle. I'd say it's pretty amazing, and that wraps up our list. Let me know in the comment section which one you like best, and feel free to share your favorite AI tools there too. If I left something out, also check out this video on AI tools for content creation to learn even more about great AI tools. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.